Hello everybody, so I have another vacuum to show off of my collection. Now, I was just recording this, and what happened was I accidentally pressed the stop record button, and now I'm going to remake it again. So this is why it's all like this. Yeah, I'm not good at editing, so that's why I'm redoing it. So it's just on my phone. Anyways, yeah, this is my Hoover Multi cyclonic canister vacuum. So let's just start what I was doing before. This is your powered nozzle. That's powered with the powered wand right there with connectors or wires that go into it. Right here, as you see, there's a little bit of the cord right there. So yeah, you can turn this, you can turn this brush on and off. So on is for carpet and off is for hardwood floors. It's a pretty good nozzle. As you can see, it kind of lays flat like that. You can go underneath things. Like that swivels around. And this wand is adjustable. As you can see, click that button. Right here, goes down like that. You can click it in. I'll probably keep it there, or maybe I'll just raise it up. Like that. There we go. You can hear it click. So anyways, let me do that. Let me unplug it. So yeah, here's the hose right here. This is the hose. It comes with two attachments. It comes with this dusting brush. I might have to set you down. Hello. Alright. Yeah, you're on the vacuum cleaner. So here's your little dusting brush with soft bristles. As you see, it's a short, little stubby thing. And right here is your weird, odd looking crevice tool. Stores on the unit itself. Now, let me unhook this. There, and then here's your main machine. As I said, it's multi-cyclonic. So I don't need to explain what kind of cyclonic system it is. So then up here is your filter, foam filter, with which can be washed underneath is this weird padding. It's a screen, sorry. And then right there's the cyclones. Yeah, I'm actually very upset that I accidentally stopped my video. It was doing so good until I stopped it, so I'm not gonna keep complaining about that. Back here you have your HEPA media filter. Right here. It's actually a pretty good filter. Not doing that mushy stuff like other filters do. Click that back in, there you go. Then you have your automatic cord rewind. If I can get the cord over here. Yeah, as you see, it's not that very long of a cord. But anyway, so you just press this, and as you see, the cord goes back in. You have to keep it out where the yellow mark is. Right there. So just keep it out there. That's what Hoover recommends, and other vacuum brands do. They have a cord rewind. And your on-off switch is right here. It is not that loud, which I like, and it's really not that heavy in my opinion. So which is a good thing. Now I guess I will demonstrate it for you guys. Now I don't know if I should I think I should just set up the camera like how I did before against that wall and do it. So yeah, first let me hook it up, plug it in. Oh my god. Actually, let me just go put you guys down right now. Lordy Lord. Alright, hope you guys can see okay. I'm sorry, but be easier to do it. So you plug that in. Put that on. So yeah, As I said, if I start up, it's quiet, but with the brush on, it'll be a little bit more noisy. So here we go. Yeah, as you can see, does a pretty good job. Now, the reason why I was trying to stop it, no, I didn't mean to stop it, is because I wanted to show you that. Come on, undo. There we go. Hang on, let me put you guys down again. Hello. I was gonna do this. Take this off. Take the hose. Hopefully this will work. It does. So now you can use this as stair cleaning ability. So let me show you if this thing will follow. Yes, it'll follow. Alright, let me turn it on. And this right here is what you turn on and off the brush. So as you can see, you can easily do the stairs with minimal effort. So, yeah, just another video with my vacuums on my Hoover Multi cyclonic canister vacuum. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications and stay tuned for more videos from me. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.